little disgusted with myself, okay? Not gonna lie. It's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another video. Today, I'm going to be doing something super duper exciting. As you can see by the title, today is going to be an ultimate cheat day. Now, I don't really like the term cheat day. I feel like it's a bit negative. So I'm gonna call this a treat day. Yes, this is my treat day. So I don't usually do cheat days. Actually, I never do cheat days or even cheat meals. And that doesn't mean that I don't eat bad food. It just means that I don't call something a cheat day or a cheat meal. To me, a meal is a meal is a meal, whether it's bad or good or whatever it is. I don't know, it just seems a little bit silly to like designate a day to just be bad. I don't know, oh my god. And now I'm completely contradicting myself because I'm doing a cheat day, aka treat day. So yes, I'm going to contradict myself, and today I'm designating today to basically eat everything I want today, okay? Obviously not everything because there's so many different foods that I like, but I'm gonna be eating quite a few unhealthy foods that I normally don't like reach for on a regular basis. And I'm also going to be counting my calories to see how many calories I can eat. Maximum number of calories I can eat, basically, when I just let myself eat however much I want. A few disclaimers. None of this is going to be healthy and something that you want to replicate in your day-to-day life. This is not how I eat on a regular basis, like I said, ever. Like, I don't designate a day to just eat bad food unless it's for a YouTube video. Yes, please don't try this at home. It's probably not a good idea. Just, you know, eat a balanced diet, and then if you want bad food once in a while, just eat it. Like, it's not a big deal. You don't have to designate an entire day like YouTubers, okay? You don't have to. Secondly, everything I'll be eating in this video is going to be vegan/plant-based, which means, guys, that vegan diets are not all created equal, and none of this is going to be healthy. Vegan diets don't necessarily mean that they are healthy. It just means that they are free of animal products. So this is definitely not an example of a healthy vegan diet. My third point is that I am not going to be overindulging to the point where I am in pain or not enjoying myself. I still want to enjoy myself and not feel like I'm doing this just to get as many calories as possible. So if I feel like I am completely full and satisfied and I don't want to eat anymore after like 3,000 calories, then that's what I'll do. I've already eaten my breakfast. I wasn't really feeling like filming really early in the morning. So I'm gonna go back to when I weighed myself and then I had breakfast. And actually, you guys, it's actually shocking how much weight I've already gained because I just stepped on the scale and I already gained some weight. So, okay. All right, like a true Korean, I'm having some instant noodles for breakfast. These are 2 packages of samyang ramen, and I did check that they were vegan friendly. I couldn't find my usual ramen that I usually go for, but these were vegan, so yay! With that, I'm eating some veggie dumplings. I made 5 of these. Actually, 3 of them I pan fried, and then 2 of them I just threw it into the ramen soup. And I also made 3 of these vegan bacon pieces just because I bought some and I wanted to try it. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of oil to cook everything. And this is super random, but I also had some oyster mushrooms and I am just pan frying those as well. Oh my god, here we go. Dumplings, bacon, or vegan bacon, oyster mushrooms. We got 2 packages of instant noodles. I can't remember the last time I had 2 packages of instant noodles in one sitting. So here we go. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so full. It's done. Right, I'm gonna have a bit of this, maybe half of this. I definitely will finish this by the end of the day, but yeah, I need something refreshing. What? Oh my god, is that real? So to be honest, guys, that breakfast was just really not as good as I wanted it to be. Maybe it's because I had like, you know, junky dinner the night before. Maybe I wasn't as like hungry or craving like bad food. Yeah, the noodles were not my favorite. I wish I had my usual favorite noodles, which are the nongshim veggie ramen noodles. Those are like really good. So I feel like I would have enjoyed those more. These were a little bit mushy, like the noodles were on the mushy side. Not my favorite. Anyways, it was good enough for me to finish. It just wasn't like as good as I wanted it to be. So hopefully the rest of the meals today will be better. So I decided to be extra lazy and order A&W. You know what, to be honest, I was gonna walk, but I actually just don't have the time. I'm also gonna get the Beyond Meat burger. So we're gonna do some fries up in here. Kinda want an iced tea. Remove topping. Remove mayo. Alright, so I'm just waiting for my A&W to get here. And meantime, I'm also gonna make a little bit of something else. I picked these up, guys. This is the Gardein crispy tenders. I guess they're supposed to be like, I don't know, chicken tenders or something like that. So with that, I'm going to have the hot sauce here. So I'm gonna toss these in the Frank's red hot sauce. And I'm also going to be filming a mukbang video for this because I feel like if I want to eat all this bad food, I might as well take advantage of this opportunity and film some mukbang videos. So I'm hoping to film another one like in the evening, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, I'm just waiting for the oven to heat up and then I want to make some of these. Yay! My body is ready. All right, they're pretty tiny, so I'm going to make 4. Woo! Are we ready for this? Let's take a moment. Let's take a moment. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Oh my god. I forgot to film me starting this, so I've already started digging in. Yummy! So we got the Beyond sausage and whatever. We got the Beyond burger. We got the chicken tenders, which by the way are really good. The crispy tenders and the fries. And I also have some ketchup chips. Oh, and my iced tea. Alright guys, so I pretty much finished everything except I left some of the bun out because that was not that good. So I will subtract, I guess it's like half an English muffin left. I'll subtract that from the calories. Finished the iced tea, that was so good. I had some ketchup chips. I'll put that back. So basically what I'm gonna do with these chips, I'm gonna eat them throughout the day if I want to. And then I'm gonna weigh this at the end of the day and then subtract it from this. And that'll be how much I ate. And then I will add that into my calories. I'm gonna put that back into the bag because I can't finish it. And then, yeah, I can't finish these fries. But I feel like that's pretty much like, I don't know, I'll subtract like 40 calories or something. Alright, you guys, so I legit look like I am like at least 7 months pregnant. I'm not even lying. And if you think I'm gonna show you guys my stomach right now, it ain't gonna happen. Like I'm wearing this loose shirt. Do you see this? The outline. Alright guys, so I am actually heading out very shortly for a meeting and then I'm going to also go to the gym after the meeting. So I will catch up with you next time I eat something. Hopefully my workout will go good. I'm doing legs today. Alright guys, so I have done my workout. I did a little bit of work. It is now 7 o'clock and I am definitely ready to eat again. So I haven't eaten anything since whatever the last thing I ate was, since lunchtime I think. So I'm actually kind of hungry. So yeah, I'm so excited to eat. So I am making some of these crispy tenders. This is also from Gardein. This is what I'm cooking up right now. The crispy chicken. This one is like mandarin orange. So it comes with like a sauce. So they say this is half the package, but it's a little more than half. Anyways, 150 grams of that. We're also doing some more dumplings. I'm just gonna cook up 5. And actually, I'm gonna steam these dumplings because I actually prefer the taste of the dumplings when they were in the ramen soup. So I feel like I would rather have them steamed. So here we go. Ooh. Let's steam that. And guys, the star of the show is going to be this pur jajang. So more noodles. You'd think that I'd be sick of noodles by now. I'm gonna make 2. I don't know if I can finish 2, but if I don't finish it, my roommate is here to help me. The only thing I'm afraid of is like, I don't know how spicy this is. This is basically instant black bean noodles, and I couldn't find a vegan version of this that wasn't spicy. So I'm just gonna have to make do with the spicy one. So I'm gonna make 2. All right, guys, we've got in front of me the instant jajangs. I also have some of those crispy tenders, crispy, whatever it's called, okay? I have some pickled radish, and I also have 5 dumplings. Yeah, I'm pretty much gonna dig in. I'll be filming a mukbang video again, so I'm going to be eating all of this on my video. Oh, and I'm also going to be adding some truffle oil onto these noodles. That's like a thing now, and I kind of wanted to try it. So I bought this like black truffle oil. I mean, it's pretty much all like olive oil, but has probably like the tiniest amount of truffle. Hopefully it tastes good. So I'll be adding maybe like, I don't know, a couple teaspoons of it in it. I'll keep track, okay? Guess who finished all that food? Look at that. I really didn't think I could do it. And now I'm really full. I also had some Diet Coke because, you know, trying to lose weight, you know what I'm saying? Honestly, you guys, that was so good. That was so delicious. The noodles were like, unbelievable. I might have something sweet because I haven't had anything sweet today, and that's kind of weird. I mean, it's not weird because you guys know I'm part of Team Savory. Whoop whoop. Again, comment down below, guys. Are you Team Savory or Team Sweet? Let me know. First, I'm gonna change into my comfy gear again. I don't want to wear fancy stuff. So I am back wearing my comfy dress. I love this. It's so comfy. And I think I'm gonna eat some ice cream because I do think I need something sweet. Like they say, there's always room for dessert, right guys? So I'm gonna have one piece of this. I don't know if I've tried this, and I am afraid that it might taste too coconutty, but this is the dark chocolate. So one bar is 160 calories. Yeah, let's see how it tastes. So this is what it looks like, and I don't know, guys. Does it look like dark chocolate to you? Looks pretty light to me. All that matters is how it tastes. What the fuck? I was expecting like a hard shell coating. So I wasn't expecting like soft, but it's actually really good. It's not overly coconutty. This is definitely approved. My first sweet thing of the day. I wouldn't say it tastes like dark chocolate. It just tastes like chocolate milk, like milk chocolate bar. It's like the worst explanation ever. It tastes good, okay? The only reason why I was like, what the hell? In the beginning was because I was expecting a hard shell coating. But I actually really, really like this, guys. I'm gonna enjoy this. Whew. I've been literally just on the couch. The bad thing about doing these things is literally I'm just completely exhausted after every meal. Which is not good. But the night is not over. It is now almost 10 o'clock, but kind of thought I would have a little snack. I have some ketchup chips left. Snack from my cafe. This is a double chocolate chip muffin. It is one of the new things on our menu. I don't know about you guys, but I love eating like salty and sweet snacks like interchangeably. Oh my god. This muffin is like a brownie. It's so good. Oh my god. It's so rich. I'm also gonna get the rest of the orange juice. My nighttime snack. Cheers. Guys, now I feel really sick. Whew, you guys, while I was eating it was fine, but now I'm like so full that I feel kind of sick. I'm so tired. I'm dying. All right, you guys, so now it is the end of the day. It is now 10:15. There's no way I'm going to eat anything else. The snack at the end was like probably a little bit too much, but it tasted good. So you know, my mouth and my stomach doesn't always agree. Okay, my stomach might be full, but my mouth is just like, give me more food. Okay. Ooh, I'm scared. How much weight could I have gained? Moment of truth. Oh my god. Guys, I gained over 6 pounds in one day. What in God's name? It's over 6.5 pounds I've gained in one day. That's crazy. It's mostly gonna be water retention, just food sitting in my stomach, probably. Yeah, I'm feeling like kind of out of breath, just really full. I feel like I am literally pregnant. This must be what pregnant women feel like. Oh, it's gonna be a fun day tomorrow, guys. I don't know how I'm going to feel tomorrow, but I'll keep you guys posted on that. Let's see, so my breakfast was 1,359 calories. My lunch was 1,560 calories. My dinner was a whopping 1,740 calories. So the snacks were 720 calories in total. So that gives us a grand total of 5,379 calories. Little disgusted with myself, okay? Not gonna lie. yeah, I don't know if I should be proud of myself or disgusted. A little bit of both. The next morning. Oh my god. Okay guys, I need to wash my face. I do feel like my face looks bloated. Yeah, I feel just really tired. I still feel kind of full. I feel like I need to poop. 2 days after. Ooh, I'm back at 130.4. 2 days after my big cheat day. Alright you guys, so that is it for my ultimate treat day. I keep trying to say cheat day. As you guys have seen, I've eaten over 5,000 calories in a day. This is once again not recommended. I do not recommend you do this at home, okay? Do not try this at home. My experience was pretty good, but I definitely don't feel the best. Obviously, I ate a lot of junk food, and as much as I did enjoy eating these foods while I was eating them, afterwards, it definitely doesn't make me feel very good. I feel extremely just tired after every meal, which isn't something I'm used to. Needless to say, today was definitely not very productive. I spent a lot of time on the couch, which is not really good. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed spending a day with me while I pig out. I don't know if you guys enjoyed pigging out with me, but I definitely enjoyed this experience, even though I feel extremely tired, but it's also late now, so whatever. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!